food. You can use your hand. She's... Okay. Now can you give her a banana?
I can't even...
Yeah, you're gonna think there's a queer goat in the background.
Now what?
This is like one of those Pinterest fail things.
Okay, now get her a drink. Okay, feel for her face with your other hand. So you can get her a drink. There you go. Okay, give her a drink. Tip it up a little more. Okay, now give her some more food.
She's not tall enough so she doesn't cover him.
I know. Okay, can you find her bowl and give her something to eat? Is that good?
Yeah, your battery's done.